Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install NordVPN. Whether it's on your computer or your mobile device, it's going to be pretty much the same exact process. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. In case you haven't got NordVPN yet, it's an amazing tool that allows you to browse the internet safely by hiding your IP address and protecting your data, offering you full sense of security. And so, we have an amazing offer just for you. To get the offer, simply scroll down until you see the first link in the description below, or until you see the top pinned comment in the comment section. Click on it and you will see this page right here, where you can get to enjoy 75% off your NordVPN's 2-year plan, including 3 months for free. Very simple, very easy. Once you click on here and you'll sign up for it. Now, for your computer, this is exactly how the steps are going to be. To download NordVPN, all you have to do is click on the main website page right here, and then once you log into your account, you will be redirected to the welcome homepage. Now from here, go to the left section where you see services, and there's going to be a button labeled as Get NordVPN for Windows. That will let you install the installer right here, save it on whatever folder you would like, and then from there you're going to launch the installer. Now, as you can see, you are in the install right there, and you can select whichever package that you would like to install besides your main NordVPN launcher. Then from here, click on Next, and then after that, you will be redirected to the launcher itself and open the application, as simple as that. In the case of you using your mobile device, then it's very simple. All you have to do is go to the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on iOS, and then from here, search for the application NordVPN. Now, once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can simply install it right there. As you can see, you have all the pictures and all the reviews for you to check out before using the application. And now once it gets installed, it will open the application right there. And then from here, all you have to do is click on accept for all the privacy issues and then log into your account that you made with our special offer. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.